My name is DIANA JOY LORICO. I'm a social media manager, video editor, and graphics designer. Please watch this video until the end. Hi! In today's video, I'll show you the basics of Trello and how to use it. Trello is the easy, free, flexible, and visual way to manage your projects and organize anything, trusted by virtual assistants and clients online. This project management tool is also highly recommended for virtual assistants of tracking daily tasks, daily communications from their clients, and virtual team collaboration. So to get started, you must have an existing email address. You have to type it here. And also, you have alternative ways on how to have your Trello account. If you'd like to continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, continue with Apple, continue with Slack. So, to have your very first successful Trello account, well, I'll show you my Trello here. Okay, so here I like words. To start your card making here on Trello, you have to go to in this part, which is words, and then, well, I have here existing template, so I will go and choose food. So here in this part, to start making card, I have to click add a list. Okay. For example, upcoming projects, and then press enter using your laptop or using your desktop computer. Progress, and then done. So why the spray? Basically, this is my favorite part here on Trello, and Trello is my favorite project management tool. When your client asks for, he will have upcoming projects, and he discuss something like make social media posts about Japanese cuisine. Just my example. Just an example. Just press enter. On progress, so what we have on progress, another example is editing image. So here, I'd like to go back here. If you see, there is a small, looks like a small pencil. You have to right click this part, and you will see that there are selection in which according what you want to do. If you want to open the card, just click it. All right, so you can add description, or which is better, social media post or scene. I will put research the post for Japanese cuisine. It's a description. It should not be very. Okay, then I will save it. So you can write a comment under activity of research. Make a research. Research. And save it. Alright. So in this part, I like to go to here. I'd like to go here, edit labels. Well, you can put the names here. For example, I have a fruit which is green. So, for example, and keep in mind that the purpose of labeling is to see what kind of improvement, what kind of status about the projects that must be done. If you have a client and if she selected, for example, approve, then you will see here in this part that your task has been approved. So this means that your task is about to go and there is no upcoming changes. Well, I would like to share you that was my experience before, that sometimes we use this kind of labeling when I had my very first client. And okay, so let's go back. Okay, so you just click the small pencil here and then edit labels. So what would you like to, or what would you like to write here in this yellow label? For example, make changes. Okay, so make changes, and here just click save. Okay, so another thing here in this part, just click the small pencil, orange part. For example, is less important. Okay, then save. But you can delete it. For example, delete. You go back. Save. Okay, you see? And I make changes. Sorry for a little bit mistake. Well, I would like to proceed for the third part, which is change members. So guys, if you have a big team members, well, if you feel to add here, for example, Marilyn, like this is just for an example, but on my end it doesn't exist because I don't have a team Marilyn. The purpose of this kind of settings that your other team can able to see your projects, and this is what we call the collaboration. Then if you like to change cover, just select for example, this is my favorite part. I like green, and then see, did you see the changes here? Alright, so if you like the blue color, so you see the changes, and then if you're satisfied, then just click save. Change cover, and then here if you feel to use image rather than color, for example, I like this one. and save. Oh, that's cool. Then I'll feel to close this. I feel to click the move. Okay, so the purpose of move is if you want this task to move in other board. So you see my selection, so there are 3. So if you click my DIANA J Lorico, if you go to DIANA J Lorico, if you click the DIANA J Lorico workspace, it will go there. So that is very easy, and this is a self-explanatory. And if you click the copy and then create card, the result will be alright. So there are 2. And once more, we have exit dates. Well, this is the most important part of making card. If your client asks task that there is a deadline, there is a due date of submission here. So the due date it will be, so when you type the date, it should be in the future. For example, my date example is 25. The time is, this will be 8 p.m. Days before. Set due date reminder. So set due date reminder, it depends on your client. If he wants 2 days before, 1 day before, 1 hour before. So there are many selections here. So for example, I choose 2 days before. So this is very ahead of time. And then then just click save. Save. Okay. So you see, in here, in this part, left corner at the bottom, you see the August 25 date, and there is a comment here. So, if the task doesn't need anymore, so you can click the archive. So if you feel that the task is not very important anymore, and if you want to disappear in your eyes, so you can click this archive. Okay, so you see there is 1 remaining upcoming project. Well, I would like also to discuss about how to invite on Trello. So, if you know someone that has an existing Trello account, you can invite him, her. Here, you have to click the word invite next to your profile picture. For example, email address, abc@gmail.com or def@outlook.com. So, if the person provided the right email address, it will appear here in this part, the right email address and the profile picture of the person that has existing profile picture on Trello in this part. And then don't forget to click send invitation. But on my end, there is no existing person that has email address like this, so I will not send invitation. This is just an example. Okay, so Trello has different settings. So here in this part I am using private. You can select a private. You can use this if you want to use your Workspace. All members of the DIANA JOY LORICO Workspace can see at this board. So organization, it says that all members of the organization can see this board. The board is being added by Enterprise Workspace and Holdings. And of course we have the last, which is public. Anyone on the internet, including Google, can see this board. So only board members can edit. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching.